Hello. Yes, actually, this is the camera which I got it with this microscope from your company, from AliExpress. And let's suppose if I open OBS on my computer, right? And let's see if it's okay. Actually, it's not connected yet. 1 minute. It's just connected now, and let's see if it is come up there. I have to restart it. No, it's there. You see, if you look at the components, it can be seen properly, and the lights is green because the mat is green. And if I just disclose this OBS, disconnect this camera. Mohsen, Rashta, please. Rashta, unyo. Dada, shanti unyo mata. La camera pe ke thoda wala. Sorpara.
Did you call now? Did you call?
Chao, karo. Hello. Okay, so I installed this camera and the other one is here. And if I go to my computer and start the OBS again, look at it. This is the mat, and look at it. It just show only gray. And if I look at it, it just shows the color is very pink. See, this is a blue, this is a gray. I done the settings and everything, but it does not show